Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am a grade 4 English teacher. I today's date 7-12-2020. Children, we are doing block 16, Once in a Village. I have explained you this story. No? Now we are doing our topic today is S2 key details. What do you mean by key details? There are, in every story there is key details. Not only Once in a Village story, in every lesson, in every story there are some few key details. What do you mean by key details? See here children now. Key details answer all the important questions about the story. It answers all the important questions about the story children. See, what is the main thing about key details? What, why, how, where and when. What happened in the story? Why it happened? How it happened? Where it happened and when it happened. Okay. This is the main concept of the key detail children. Now look there. Now look there children. Key details. What happened to this key details? In the story what they are telling, I am reading now. In most folk tales, what happened? This key detail will inform a setting from long ago. Characters who learn a lesson about life or an exam or an explanation of something from the natural world children. This we have seen in this story children. Key details will tell us this thing in brief children. Okay, understood? Now take out your notebook. So children, now we are reading from our reader's story Once in a Village. See, I have explained you the glossaries and page number 98. 99 is already read and 100 is already done children. Now I should start from page number 101. What you have seen here, once we'll do recap. There is a beautiful village. People enjoy the river water and the forest. Okay, and people swim and there are many animals who live in that river. We have seen in this paragraph. In next page, page number 99, we have seen that there was a wise man who advised people not to cut down the trees. What happened after giving advice? Next in page number 100, we have seen that, see, after cutting down the trees, what happened? There are last few trees left away. One was banyan tree and next was peepal tree. Okay, and they was both very big trees children. They both were very big trees children. And what happened? There was one gulmohar tree between these two trees it seems, which gave beautiful orange color flowers. Next, see, so what happened next? We have seen that since 3 years there was no rainfall it seems. Now I am going to read. Keep your fingers where I am going to read now. See children. In the 4th year, page number 101, keep your fingers where I am reading. See next. In the 4th year, there was still no rain, not a drop. The brown grass had withered. The ponds were dry. The lotus had all died. The ducks and the geese had left the village. The river became a thin, muddy trickle. Okay, what happened? It's some children here. See, no plants and trees. What happened? From 4 years there was no rain. It seems. How many years? 4 years. Since 4 years there is no rainfall in this village. Why? Because they have cut down the forest children. And what happened? Due to no rainfall, the ponds and the rivers dried up it seems, and goose, ducks left the village and went to another village it seems. Lotus flowers, they grew in the ponds and rivers only. So what happened? So what happened? They died it seems. Come on, next paragraph now. See, keep your fingers where I am reading. The next year the rain failed again. My goodness, is again next year. Here 4th year we have studied. Again next is 5th year. Next year again there was no rainfall it seems. We will die if there is no rain, cried everybody. heaven, send us rain. So children, where I am reading, see now. Heavy heaven send us rain. So the thin muddy trickle that had once been a river. See children, here picture. It was river here first. So everyone are praying. Even river is praying. Rain, give us rain, cried the holes that had once been pounds. Holes in the ground. Before that they were pounds it seems. Now they have become holes. Who is praying? Pounds are also praying. Rain, rain, rain. Crockled the thirsty frogs. Thirsty frogs are also shouting. Croak, croak. They are telling, please rain, come down. See, please come rain. Pleaded the birds. Even birds are praying. Please come rain. Next. Pleaded the birds. Rain, come down, rain. Prayed the empty fields. Means empty fields. Who will grow crops? No? Will grow crops. Farmers will grow crops. Yes, that is known as fields. Empty fields. Rain, please, may the rain come. Beg the people. People are begging here. Please, rain, come down. Rain, rain, may the rain come. They all are praying. Now, next page number 102. See here. There was one thought in every mind, one prayer on every lip, and one longing in every heart. The thought began to grow in strength. It grew into a powerful force. It began to raise higher and higher until it reached the sky. And there it became a shiny silver cloud. What happened? It's, see, everyone are praying now. Everyone are thinking. Everyone have only one thought. Everyone are talking about rain only. So, where everyone was standing and praying, it became into a good and strong strength. And the prayer went up, up, up in the sky, and it reached the cloud. Now see what will happen. We'll see now. See here about silver cloud. All eyes were fixed on the wonderful cloud. Breezes come from every direction. Soon the wind was rushing and howling. The hundred of raindrops fell. Pit, pit, pit. Pitter. They fell on the earth and on the dry grass. They fell on the animals and people faster and faster. They started praying. So who listened? A silver cloud heard that prayer. And what happened? See, now everyone are looking. Everyone eyes is fixed on the silver cloud. What happened? See, slowly, slowly, pit, pit, pit. The sound of the drops they are telling here. Pit, pit, pit is nothing but sound of the rain. See, slowly it began to fall. Immediately what happened? Suddenly it started falling on the grass, fields, animal and face of the people. Next page number 103. See here what happened at the last. We'll read now. Ho! The rain, the wonderful, beautiful rain. Cried everybody. Everybody started crying. Oh, what a wonder. For 5 years they have waited for rain, no? See how frogs are dancing? Next. The raindrops grew bigger. They, see children, here I have read, wind started blowing. There was a beautiful cool breeze. This is nothing but, it is a predication. It is giving a hint. It is giving a hint before rain will fall, children. Now see in the next para. Every beautiful rain, wonderful, beautiful rain, cried everybody. The raindrops grew bigger. They fell from the clouds thick and fast. Everybody lifted their arms and sang and danced. Grandparents and parents, uncles and aunts and all the children danced with joy. The animal, birds and frogs danced with joy. Even the plants and grass danced with the wind. See, everyone are dancing and enjoying. Even the grass is dancing with the help of wind. Next children, page number 104. How everybody danced. What happened since? Oh, everybody, even plants, animals and grass, everybody have danced it since. No, not everybody. The people and the banyan tree were the only two trees who did not dance. They looked at the sky, the earth and the rain with their heart full of joys. Means with the happiness they are looking up on the clouds itself. Who? People and banyan tree. People and banyan tree. Okay, sky. We are too old to dance. Who are telling? These two trees are telling we are too old to dance. We will sing out thanks. They are telling that we can only tell thanks because we are very old to dance. With the rustling of leaves, that's just was they did. Children, see how can they thanks? They are moving with the wind itself, and they are telling thanks to the river. Thanks to the rain, water. No, this was a beautiful story. Okay, children, understood, no? What happened and how the story has ended? It is very nice story. How many years they didn't got rain itself, children? For 5 years. Now take out your workbook. Write today's date here, 7-12-2020 as to key details. Now I have explained you in the board, no, what is about key details. In brief, I have explained you. Now see, you should write like this. List the key details of the story. Once in a village. Give a reason to explain why the chosen detail is important. See children, there are total 6 boxes here. I have written 3 for you. Remaining 3 you write. See first one. The village was located in a beautiful forest with a river and tree. It tells us about setting of the story. The number of people in the village increased, so they decided to cut down the trees. It tells us about the beginning of the problem. There was no rain for 5 years, you write. So you can write 5 years, or you can write like this. From 5 years there was no rain. Since 5 years there was no rain, you can write. Or you can write like this. There was no rain for many years. It tells us about the effects of cutting down trees. Children, these are, what is it, a key detail. And key detail, this I have explained you and written 3. The remaining 3 you write, children. Okay. See next one. What do you think is the moral of the story? See children, I think like this. This is the moral of this story. If you think something different, no, better you can write here. It is not compulsory what my teacher wrote, I should write here. The own answers you try to write with your own children here. See, I wrote like this. The story teach us not to cut down trees carelessly. You can write something else, moral, okay, with your own. Hope you all understood and enjoyed this story. Okay, complete this workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.